Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. You make it slow. We're cooking our dinner. Brian going to make mashed potato, and I will fried lamb, pork chop. No, I will fried pork chop, and then he's making. What is that you are doing, lab?
Muffins.
Muffins. Yeah, he's making muffins though. Here's the muffins. Muffins. Get this one. Put in here the trash and everything. And then here's my pork chop. Waiting the oil ready. Okay, boss.
This is pretty close to milk.
Really?
Tastes more like milk instead of canned milk.
Really?
Australia's own.
How much is that? 1 liter.
I think it's like 85.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's bad, but
It's bad? How much we're buying before? That's
no, I
70?
mean, compared to what I'm used to, it's not bad here. I think we were paying for the selective, we were paying 78.
Yeah, I think so. Smells banana. It's like the smells of the banana is powerful
Powerful?
than the, what is the other one?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, yeah. Banana smell. That's for the dessert. Dessert too. So I'm gonna start cooking now. That I think. I like the skin. Always.
Like what?
The skin of this pork chop. That's why I usually get the pork chop with skin. There is pork chop that they remove the skin already, lab. The skin without this. But I really get this.
You're the one that's going to be eating it all. So.
Yeah. Because I like it. Crispy, crispy. The muffins is ready. Muffins.
Muffins, they're ready to go in the oven anyway.
Yeah, ready to go in oven. I said. That's why I said ready. Not ready to eat.
Not ready to eat now.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah. Son. Son. And my pork chop is done. I'm excited to eat now. I'm really hungry and tired today. All day in clinic. I wanna lay down. I wanna eat, shower, and then lay down. And muffins. The muffins is ready. See guys? I'll check the... Ay! Logan. Ow. Ow. Okay. We'll check the... It's still hot. The mash and the potato, it's cooked. Now it's ready. I'm gonna call Sir Brian to come in and fix lab. Oh, the potato is cooked. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm hungry. The muffins is cooked. The pork chop is cooked. Just waiting for him to make a mashed potato. And then we're going to eat. I'm gonna make a gravy too. Dinner time. I love the soft drinks. The cold soft drinks. We have only... That's all. We have only that's all.
If only that's all.
Pork chop.
Pork chop.
Beans.
I always give Marcel the fat.
Yeah.
I just don't like it. And she happens to love it. So it works out good.
Yeah. Ever since I love this fat, I don't like the meat. Pork chop.
Well, that's delicious. Let's see how the mashed potatoes and gravy turned out.
He made a gravy also. Is the muffin is cooked.
The muffins are cooked, yeah.
And the gravy.
Would you like some mashed potatoes, Lon?
Of course. Here, Labi. Thank you. And then gravy. Wow. Oh,
50 pesos, ma'am.
goodness.
Boy.
50 pesos?
That's for that gravy.
Okay.
Not unlimited gravy here. It's not like McDo.
Your pork chop is 100, sir.
Oh,
See,
you're very fond.
you owe me 50.
Well, I'd rather owe it to you than cheat you out of it.
Okay. We will try the mashed potato. Ay, the gravy. Gravy and mashed potato.
Excellent.
Yummy.
Yummy. You know, we found that butter last time we were in Tagbilaran. We got that French butter. Actually tastes more like the butter that I'm used to.
It's good.
The butter they make in the Philippines is butter, but it's just has a funky taste to it for what I was brought up with.
It's like a margarine.
No, it's just,
Oh, it's not.
it's not like a margarine. It's just like, I mean, I can tell that it's butter. It has butter flavor, but it just has a different flavor.
You know, love, I like the what do you call this? What is that?
What is that?
Corn.
Corn.
To be partner of the this
Corn,
one.
corn would have been nice tonight, but
We don't have.
we don't have.
Ay, only
You
green
mean corn
peas.
on the cob?
No, different.
canned
The
corn.
corn.
I
The
think
one
we
you're
have-
using.
I think we have some, but this is enough.
Ay, okay, to make it different.
Yeah, I was looking at corn on the cob in the store the last time we were at the store.
Very
I think
expensive.
they were 34 or 35 pesos, which is 70 cents US for 1 ear of corn.
Wow.
Pretty pricey as far as I'm concerned. I mean, I got spoiled when I was a kid because they were 12 for $1. I know those days are long gone, but even 2 or 3 years ago, you could find them 4 for $1 in the States.
Here you can.
In Mindanao, maybe. Not
Yeah.
here.
In Mindanao, you can
Yeah.
just pick to the plantation. It's free.
Yeah, it's free until you get a bolo in the back of the head.
And it's very big. You will really amaze the corn there because it's very big. and and if you want to get some corn from the neighbor plant, you should fast
Mm-hmm.
runner. You should fast run so that you can.
Sounds like you have lots of practice at that.
What?
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 You've never done something like that before, though, right?
I've done one time only the papaya of my grandmother, grandma.
You stole your grandma's papayas?
Yeah, I'm shaking because I cry because she said she's very strict. I'm shaking because there's a big, very big papaya, love. There's a papaya there that really long. The fruit is really long, and
This
then
looked really yummy, huh?
it's very yummy. But we picked the one that is not really cooked, or it's really cooked, really ripe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because that, and we really like eating that not really ripe because it's crunchy, and we use vinegar or salt to eat. So you know what? They told me, okay, go, climb, get that papaya. No, maybe grandma is here. No, she's not here, but I'm shaking. It's funny.
Did you get caught?
No. I told you if you will do that, you are a fast runner. You run very fast.
Were you a very fast runner when you were little?
Yes.
Especially when you were stealing, right?
Yeah. So fun. Not anymore.
Very bad.
Not really.
That's good mashed potatoes and gravy.
Yeah. Mm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat now. So I'm gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to please don't forget to watch ads and don't skip the ads.
You know, the only thing that we're missing
What is that?
is a slice of home-baked bread about that thick with about that much butter on it.
Wow. Homemade. Oh, what kind of bread? No need bread? Oh, what kind of bread is that?
Just homemade bread with yeast. We
Ah,
don't eat breads too hard.
yeah.
It's like a brick. My mom used to bake bread.
Even it throw to your head My God, it's very hard, but it's yummy.
It is yummy. It does taste good, but it's
We will make bread later tonight.
uh,
Shakoy.
you want to make chocolate later?
Yeah,
We
later.
got the muffins.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
next time only. We have muffins for tonight. For the snack tonight.
Next time we'll make some bread.
Yeah.
You've never made homemade bread, huh?
Only the no-knead bread. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end now because Serbi have already is almost full and I'm not even starting yet.
Good night.
Okay. Have a great day. Have a good day. Thanks,
Red
everyone.
says, have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day. Thanks, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Ay, uy. Smile.
I'm eating.
I don't care.